going on YouTube? I know it's been a minute since I made a video. Been kind of MIA. I know the last video I made was about my pop-up shop. Did that in downtown Wyandotte, Michigan. I did that October 21st. Did it for about a month, and then I only did it for a month because I already had a job that I accepted, so couldn't really do it any longer. But the store owner, she gave me a grateful opportunity to, kind of make it feel like I owned the store for a month, and it was honestly one of the best experiences ever. It was a great turnout, and yeah, so I did that, and then I started my full-time job in August. No, okay. I did the pop-up like the end of September. October 21st was the last day, and that's when I started, and that's when I kind of been MIA, even with like my Instagram posts and stuff. I lost a few followers. I'm like, dang, I know it sucks, but in life, you can't always get what you want. My plan was to, do a full-time store, but just had to like weigh out my options. Running a store is very hectic. I have a lot of goals that I want to achieve in life. I want to travel, I want a big house. And not that you can't do that owning a store, but, where I'm from in Michigan, not saying that, there's not opportunity here, but, the whole vintage kind of wave, it's getting better. It's honestly gotten way better. But running a store full time and being successful with it, I think would be kind of hard. Definitely have to put like some hype stuff in it. I'm definitely still gonna want to do it. That's the reason why I got this full-time job too as well. It's definitely gonna help me, just do what I want to do outside of work as well. As investing, with what I want to do in life, which is own that store. So it's definitely gonna help me out with that financially, and then yeah. So that's pretty much been it. Been back posting. I'm actually gonna do a vintage event with one of my homies that owns a store, as well as one of my other homies that has a page. His page is Motor City Thrift. Shout out to homie Mike, and my homie Jordan owns Former Vintage in Royal Oak. We just all came together, just a bunch of young kids, just learning from our mistakes. Let's see how it goes. I hope it's a great turnout. There's gonna be 40 plus vendors there, and it's gonna be the first one, and from there we're just gonna progress each one. Hopefully it can be a recurrent event. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So that was my update. I'm back posting. I'm back. I had to get settled in my new job, get my schedule straight, and yeah, man, I'm back posting again. I honestly had a lot more to show you. I mean, you can see it all on Instagram. I've been wanting to make this video. I could have made this video honestly about like 2 months ago. First one, got this in a trade, plus I got some cash from it, so that's always good. This, I'm pretty sure it's like a later 90s, maybe mid-90s Selena hoodie. You really don't see like rap tee style hoodies, or just pretty much any like, music type of hoodies. It's kind of rare, to be honest. It's a good size. It's size X, double XL, but I mean, I feel like it could fit like a nice little oversized XL. Zip up hoodie. Got a nice little plain zip up hoodie. Very fresh. It's pretty much dead stock. I mean, if you want it, go ahead and hit me up about it. Got it at a very fair price. I think I told a few people I wanted like $400. Dropped it down to like $350. Honestly, if you want to work like a trade out or something, or just throw me a cash offer, maybe $300. I don't know. I'll hook you up. I always hook you up. So that's from eBay. Got it for a steal, I think. 1996. Andy Warhol Foundation. Awesome graphics. Let me do a little. I've always loved Andy's, the way, I've always seen them in the past. Has the original tag on it when it was sold in the store. I've always seen like Andy Warhol like tees, and honestly, I was always sleeping on them. Always loved the colors, don't get me wrong. But this one, I mean, I couldn't pass up on. If no one hits me up about it, I'll definitely be excited for, start rocking it in springtime. Hopefully it gets hot out here in Michigan. Probably won't, not anytime soon, but you can wish. So yeah, that's a good one. Size XL. So if you want to hit me up. This one, honestly, I'm contemplating. It's a large, so honestly, kind of fits a bit. Looks like it would fit bigger. Don Vito for president. Really good tee. From 2004. I don't know if you can see it a little bit better now with the light. Maybe right there. Yeah, so that's an awesome one. Rest in peace, Don Vito, man. Absolute legend right there. Can't forget the last piece. So, started with this one. In one of my other videos, I was wearing a baby Milo Mass tee. And I wanted that tee for the longest. Finally, I got it from my homie. And I don't know, like I said, I mean, some tees just, you got them, you rock them. Now it's time to move on from them. So, honestly, I didn't want to sell it, and I didn't. I got some pretty good offers on it too, but I just wanted, a different piece in my collection. And I found this guy, Nostalgic. I forgot, I'll put his name in the bio. And he said he had 2 of these, and he's only trading for other Mass tees. And I was like, damn, dude, I wish I could just buy it so I keep my baby Milo tee, but it's all good. I'll buy it one day again. And I traded him for the eyes popping out Mass tee. Has a nice little like fade going, but I mean, no cracking at all. I've been wanting this tee. I know probably the other one is probably a little bit more rare, but I don't know. This one is just incredible. Love this movie growing up. Probably watched it a million times. I really don't want to watch it again, but just for the culture that I love that movie. Definitely a classic. I'll show it to my kids one day. On one of the greats tags. Honestly, every tee that is on, the Stanleys, I mean, the graphics are crazy. Tagged XL. Definitely is XL. But, yeah, so got some new personals. Also, this is my last one right here. So this one, man, that's crazy. Honestly, don't even want to sell this thing, man. I'm trying to work out a trade with the homie Adam Feynman. And still might be down for it if you ever watch this, Adam. I don't know if you will. But I don't know. And I got also a crazy offer from Japan like the other day. I'm like, bro, don't tempt me. Because, yeah, this tee is insane. Murder Was a Case, printed in 1995. Yeah, so this one I got from the homie Golden Vintage. When I was making my last video, I forgot his name, that's why I did that. Shout out to you, man. He's been, always hit me up about it. I had the ODB crew neck. I know you guys probably seen it. And, you just have these pieces and you just don't know, like, I mean, it's not worth it. Just if someone wants something, they've been asking you for it nicely too. And especially if they're gonna, I mean, he gave me a pretty nice piece of change, and this tee, which is worth a piece of change. So it all worked out like good. And if someone's out there asking for it, who knows, man, you always get it back. Glad I got to finally make this video. You can upload it tonight. Let me know what you think about my new pieces. And let me know what you guys been copping lately. I think I said that in the last video, but yeah, let me know some of your IGs. I want to check some of you guys out, whoever, follows me on here. And like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Peace, guys. Thank you. Really appreciate it.